Start small, earn big. Entrepreneurship and micro business essentials. Proudly brought to you by Zero EqualMint Education Hub. Imagine turning your everyday skills and ideas into real income. That's exactly what we're going to do together in this course. A massive welcome to you. This is a powerful tool for beginner friendly entrepreneurship course designed specifically for people just like you who are ready to take control of their future. No prior experience needed. Let's make it happen. Here's what you will learn and master by the end. A winning entrepreneurial mindset. How to spot profitable ideas everywhere. Simple yet effective business planning, smart marketing that gets results. Pricing strategies that make you money. Cash flow management like a pro, funding options that don't require banks, and proven ways to grow your business fast. You're about to unlock everything you need. Why choose entrepreneurship? Because it gives you freedom to live life on your terms, unlimited income potential that grows with your effort, and true independence where you are the boss of your destiny. Doesn't that sound exciting? Here's the best news, anyone. Absolutely anyone can start. You don't need a degree. You don't need big capital. All you need is the desire to start small and the courage to take action today. We've structured this course into 4 powerful modules, each around 30 minutes, so you can learn step by step without feeling overwhelmed. You've got this. Our teaching style is simple, practical, and crystal clear because we want you to finish this course not just informed, but ready to launch your own business. What exactly is a micro business? It's a small, low-cost operation that delivers massive value, perfect for beginners who want quick wins and real profits without huge risk. Micro businesses are pure gold because they launch fast. They protect you from big losses and they can become incredibly profitable. Many people are earning full-time income from ideas they started with almost nothing. Here's our exciting path together. We start by building an unstoppable mindset, then move into smart planning, explore low-cost business models. You can start this week. And finally, master money and explosive growth. By the end, you'll be unstoppable. Look at this, your official Zero EqualMint Entrepreneurship Certificate. Complete the course, and this is yours, a proud achievement to share and proof of your new skills. Are you ready? Let's jump in and start Module 1 right now. Your journey to earning big begins here.